Hi friends, welcome back, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own liquid matte lipstick at home. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. To prepare this we need Spins BB cream, any eyeshadow palette, glycerin, compact powder, and finally aloe vera gel. Now let's move on to the process. Take Take a clean bowl, and to this I'm going to add Spins BB cream. There is no particular measurement, but I'm just adding this much of Spins BB cream. Next I'm going to add a glycerin, just 4 to 5 drops, that's it. And if you don't have glycerin with you, don't worry, you can also use vitamin E capsules. If you use vitamin E capsules, then use just 1 capsule and extract oil from that. And next I'm going to use eyeshadow palette. I'm using this pink color, just scraping it and taking the powder out of this. So adding this eyeshadow into this BB cream, mix it very well. So after mixing it, I'm just adding some more BB cream to get the right consistency, and adding some more eyeshadow. And next finally I'm going to add aloe vera gel into this. You can either use green color one or this yellow one. Again mix it very well. So our homemade liquid lipstick is ready to use. Now I will swatch it and show you on back of my hand. You can see how pretty the color has turned out. Really, it's a very pretty pink color. I really love the shade. So next, to turn this liquid lipstick into matte, I am going to add some compact powder. You can even use any baby powder also. So I'm just adding this much of compact powder into this to make it matte. Now mixing it really well. So everything is mixed well. Now I'm going to apply this on back of my hand and showing you. You can see the pigmentation, how pigmented the lip color is. It's really very pigmented. I love the pigmentation of this, and let's check whether these lipsticks are transfer proof or not. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you like my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care, see you, bye.